It took 45 days for this girl to make her first $100,000 on Instagram. But there's one thing you should know about her. She's not real. She's AI. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create your own AI fitness influencer, just like Tiana Lopez, using a tool called Swapfans AI. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create viral Instagram posts and videos that can build a massive following and start making money. Let's dive in. An AI influencer is a completely virtual character created with AI tools. They look real, they post like real people, and brands actually pay them for promotions. One of the most famous examples is Tiana Lopez, who earns thousands of dollars per month on Instagram without even existing. To start with, go to Swapfans AI and create your account. Inside the dashboard, you'll find different options like AI Influencer, where you can start to design your influencer you like, so click on it. You can start with an image and customize it the way you like by giving age, sex, ethnicity, hairstyle, hair color, eyes, and other features, or you can use this prompt. A stunning Latina fitness influencer, hyper-realistic, 25 years old, wearing trendy gym outfit, standing in a modern gym with soft lighting, defined abs, smiling confidently, Instagram-style portrait photography, high-quality, vibrant 16:9 aspect ratio. Generate 3-5 variations, then hit generate, where you will find some amazing image of your influencer. And they are completely similar. Download your images, and then let's go to the next tool, which is Face Swap. This tool lets you replace faces in photos or videos with your AI influencer's face. For example, if you find a viral fitness video but want to brand it as your AI influencer, you can swap the face to match your character. This helps you create endless viral-style content while keeping your AI influencer consistent across posts. You simply enter a go and download a video of an AI influencer you prefer. For example, head over to Instagram, then search for Tiana Lopez. Find any viral video, click on share, copy the link, then go to Instagram Video Downloader, paste the link, and then download the video. Back to your tool on step 1, upload your AI influencer image, and on step 2, upload the video you downloaded, and then click on swap. And boom, your video will be generated with the new face of your AI influencer, ready to be posted on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Let's watch this. Amazing, right? It looks similar with the downloaded video, but with different faces, and the new face is completely identical to our AI influencer. So find any video you like on any niche, change the face to look like your created AI influencer face, then wait for the video to go viral. Also, you can create an image directly where you hit on an AI image generator, then use a prompt like this. A hyper-realistic Latina fitness influencer doing squats with a barbell in a modern gym, motivational vibe, sharp detail, Instagram photo style, natural lighting, high engagement pose. You will find this prompt in the description below. Then swap the image with your AI influencer image so to stay consistent all the time. Or you can go to Background Changer to change the image of your IA influencer to look in different occasion with the same look. On top of that, you can directly create a video from text and get amazing results. Then swap the face of the video to look similar to your AI influencer so people can find that you are the same person across the whole images and videos. You can use fitness video prompt like this. Generate a 10-second hyper-realistic video of a Latina fitness influencer doing dumbbell curls in the gym, smiling at the camera with motivational text overlay, "Stay strong." Instagram Reel, TikTok style, 1080p cinematic lighting. The result you will get is amazing, so follow the steps shown above to generate your AI influence. Generate videos and image swap faces from other viral AI influencers and finally post them on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. Within the first month, you will see the result. Use hashtags like fitness motivation to get organic reach. Build followers. You will be monetized on YouTube, also monetized through brand sponsorships, affiliate products, protein, supplements, gym gear, selling your own digital products, fitness plans, ebooks. And that's how you can build your own fitness influencer like Tiana Lopez with Swapfans AI. Start posting, grow your following, and before you know it, you could be making money with a virtual influencer that isn't even real. If you want to start making money today, watch the video showing up on the screen where you will see me generating $3 per each email submitted on Amazon. You don't need any experience to earn with this method, and it's 100% working. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more AI money-making tutorials. Let's make this year your breakthrough with AI. Thanks for watching, and see you there.